Daddy.
Mommy, this hurts. This is a pot. It's starting to bleed.
Oh, it's a little bit. We'll fix it.
But
Shh, quiet. Shh. I hear something coming.
Is it coming?
Shh. I hear something coming. Quiet, Sam.
Daddy,
Sam, what are you doing?
come on, let's go. Come on, Daddy.
Just a minute, I gotta get one more shot of the Jen's monitor. Jensen, do you hear it coming? Okay.
We have everybody 4 to 11, all the children. 4 to 11.
Hi, Nancy. How are you?
And I don't know if we need to. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Jensen. Jensen. What do you want? Just tell me. Jen.
Mommy, tell her
You want one? You want one? I told him not to take food from strangers. Big picture out there of this stuff.
Honey's right here. Throw some there. There you go. Jensen! Hey, buddy! Silver?
Now do double. I have some. Oh, I'll just have some. Okay. I'm gonna have to write Mommy's.
Just be careful if you don't touch the gold. Sam, green?
Yeah.
Silver? Silver? And Alice was the last one. She just did one.
Jen's putting all of his in one spot.
There you go.
I'm gonna help. we do?
I need to go down and get some of that gold, that stuff to put.
What's that?
Oh, all the Jensen's fell.
They were all
No, put that back in the box. We're not going to use those.
Not use those?
Hey, we better not to put one of these on. See, that's not
Good, guys.
This one's mine.
I have to fix it tonight while we're in bed.
No, this one's yours. You did that. Because it look.
Looks good.
Mommy, not going to put our stockings up or
Well, I have to put the...
that way. This is Daddy, the end of this.
So he and me too. He wanted you to stand back there with him.
Did you just buy that?
Sure we did.
Put it in there.
For sure we have an angel on top.
What do we have left? Mommy,
We have a star.
some other ones, some other Christmas trees have stars on top.
Yeah, they do. We had stars. Now this is supposed to plug in.
What is? Hey. Mommy, Daddy, camera that Christmas tree. Mommy, can I put some of these on there? Can't we?
What? No, no hooks, honey, because I don't want you to...
Wait, what's that called again?
Holly Jolly Christmas.
Yeah. Holly Jolly Christmas. Ow! Yes.
Sam, you gonna do it?
No. I will. Okay, watch. I'll do it. Wait.
Put it right there.
Yeah, but you're gonna cut that other branch down, aren't you?
No.
I'll put one up. See, now don't put them so far because other people might want to see them.
Sam can put them any place he wants. You only worry about your own candy canes, dude.
Oh, that's in this field though.
And he was okay.
I'm gonna box of mine.
They each had 8 just out of the first box.
We did both boxes.
Oh, see, I can do that.
Just spread them out like that. I thought you had funny crap. I'll put some.
Sam, what are you doing, dude?
I'm gonna put that one higher low. I don't know. Okay, what? How about this one? This one. That one. Jensen, how about we put that one right here, okay? What else do we do, Daddy?
That's it, dude, for now.
What?
Putting stuff on Daddy, making stars.
For what?
For Christmas on our Christmas tree.
Oh, what are you using?
Glue and sparkles. Good.
Looks shiny, doesn't it? Don't you touch, little boy. Can you look at Mom? Jensen? Cheese? Hey, Sam.
Cheese.
Got an awful lot of stuff there, bud.
Me?
Yeah. Sam! You better not have a snowball in your hands. Samuel!
What?
Did you do that all by yourself?
Yeah, gotcha.
Hey!
Ryan!
Who did that? Who did that? Uh-oh.
Look on the glass! Mom, I threw that one at you. Oh, what is that? Quadruple team! Slam dunk! Whoa, you okay, Ray? Slam dunk! Oh, me! I'm melting. I can't believe we didn't get the bike stand. Hey, Ryan, why don't you start taking the bike stand down?
Show up on the picture though.
Doesn't it?
Uh-uh.
Oh, have you seen it in there before?
Yeah. Alan. She can't even move it.
Ooh, this one's really broken in. Yikes.
Yes?
Dad, are you coming up?
Oh no.
Because I don't want to either.
Okay, come on in. Mom, you got one little snow person that wants to come in. Gents! Say hi. Sam! Where'd you go? Say hi. How's your snowball? Sam, why don't you come stand by and I'll take your picture.
What's your snowball? Oh, I got that in there.
Oh.
Oh, honey, stay over there, please.
Oh, hey, stand on top of it.
You coming in already? Cold? It's cold though.
And, Daddy, can I do that once?
No, sorry, sweetheart. You do it when they're inside sometimes.
Daddy, look what happened to the window.
Oh, great. See that, Mom?
My phone is waiting. She can't do it in the window.
My marks came apart too.
Oh, there goes the bowl.
Uh-oh. Jensen. Whoa.
Uh-oh, Jensen's playing puppy dog or something over there.
Uh-oh.
Sam's coming to the door. Jensen's right behind him. Hunter's confused.
Cold?
Hi there.
Come here, guys.
Was that a bowl I saw out there running into a snowball? Were you playing puppy dog?
That's me playing puppy dog. Nick.
Hey, Alex, what's going on?
I'm eating snacks.
Again?
Yeah.
Have you had any yet tonight?
No.
Oh.
But don't
Hi, Grandma Great.
Well, not the way I'm sitting.
Oh, you look comfy. Abster, what are you waiting for? Where'd your present go? Did you open it?
No.
Hey, Sam the man. What you doing?
Just sitting with mine.
Sitting, waiting, doing what?